to Katie's Cool Creations, and in today's video I am once again very excited because since Thanksgiving is like just around the corner, we are going to be making a Thanksgiving slime, and for this Thanksgiving slime it is going to be a pumpkin pie slime. And I never really made any sort of food slime before, so this will be quite interesting, and hopefully it turns out well because I don't know how this will turn out, but I am very excited to try it out. And sadly, this is going to be my last fall video for this year. It's really sad, but don't be too sad because after Thanksgiving, you know what's coming. Christmas, and then I'll be doing lots of Christmas videos, so it's gonna be a great year. And if you're new here to my channel, it would make me so happy if you scroll down and click that subscribe button so you never miss any of my new fun videos. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into this week's video. Let's go. So to start off this slime, you need a bowl or any little pie tray that at least represents a pie tray, and then you also need some white Model Magic clay, or just, I guess, any clay, but I prefer white Model Magic clay. And I'm taking some of that out of the bag and I'm going to start trying to mix it together with my hands, so whenever we color it with some food coloring, it'll be a little easier to mix the coloring in. And now I'm going to be taking some brown food coloring and I'm just going to start slowly adding that into the white clay. And then now you can just fold these two sides together and just slowly start mixing that together until you get a color that represents like a pie crust. And also, warning guys, this takes very long to mix together. So the more I kept adding some food coloring, I kept adding more and more each time until it turned into this brown color right here. And it was the closest that I thought it would be to looking like an actual pie crust. So here it is whenever it is all finished, and now I'm just going to start putting it into my pie pan or your bowl, whatever you call your little thing, and I'm just going to flatten it out all the way around my bowl. And then now I need some more clay, so I'm taking more clay that I just colored with more food coloring and putting around the edges until you cannot see any more of the bowl left. And now it is time to make the orange filling for your pumpkin pie. So here I am adding some white Elmer's glue into a bowl of mine, and I'm probably just going to add as much as I think that will be able to fit in my little bowl. And now I'm going to take some pumpkin body lotion, which I thought would be so appropriate for this video and for the slime. It is scented like pumpkin, so that's awesome. And then the body lotion also will make the slime stretchier. So here I'm just going to start mixing that all into my glue. And now I'm taking some orange food coloring and I'm going to start adding a lot of that into my glue. And when I mean a lot because this took me a lot to get the perfect color that I actually wanted. So here I'm now just going to start mixing that all into my white glue and just enjoy. And here we are starting to get that orangey color that I want, but I still want it to be a little brighter. So here I'm adding some more orange food coloring and just going to continue mixing that all in, and hopefully it will be the perfect color after we mix this in, and now it is time to add your borax solution or your activator of your choice, and I'm slowly going to add mine in and then just take my spoon and just mix it all together. And here you can see it is clumping up, so that is a really good sign when making slime. So I'm just going to continue adding some activator and continue mixing it until it's a slimy consistency. And now I think it is about time for me to start getting in with my hands and start mixing it all together with my hands so all the clumps and stuff can get out of it quicker. So here I'm just mixing it with my hands until it is no longer sticky. And here it is whenever it is finally no longer sticky. It makes great bubble pops. It's a really good slime, and here it is. And now it is finally time to bring our pie tray from earlier over so we can start filling it up with the orange slime. So here I'm just filling it up with the slime and just spreading the slime out and then adding a little more slime and then just trying to flatten it out as much as possible because I want it to be super flat so it looks so pretty. So here I'm just making it as flat as possible. And this is what my pie looks like whenever I tried to make it look as flat as possible. I think it turned out pretty good, but we are missing one thing. There needs to be something on top of this pie right here, and I think we all know what that is. We need a dollop of whipped cream, so here I'm just taking one more little piece of white Model Magic clay and mixing that all together to form the dollop and then swirling it around a little bit, if that makes sense. So here's my finished dollop, and I'm putting that in the center of my orange slime in the center of the pie. So I think it looks pretty good so far, but we need more details. So here I'm taking a plastic fork and pressing the bottom of that all the way around on the edges of the clay to make these little indents so it looks more realistic and just makes it look even prettier and cuter. So we need whatever we have right now to make it look better. And here it is whenever it has all the indents. It looks really good so far, but we are not done yet. We need more detail. So I am taking some baby powder and oh no, I messed up. Oh no. But the baby powder is trying to represent some powdered sugar, so here I'm just still adding more all the way around the pie, even though I made a big mess right there and I don't like it. But I'm just going to ignore that right now and take my finger and try and wipe off all the baby powder on the outside, and then I noticed, oh, that thing looks pretty bad right there. So I'm just for some reason wiping my hand on it. I don't know why, don't ask me why. But then now I'm going to start taking, wait for it, some more orange slime. A little piece of that orange slime hopefully will fix it. So here I'm trying to stick it over top of that white mess that I somehow made, and I'm just hoping this will be able to fix it. And yes, somehow it did. I'm shook, I am mind blown. But here's the pie whenever it is all completed. It looks so real. I'm in love with it. I just cannot tell you how good I feel like my work turned out right now. And now the moment of truth. I am mixing it together. Oh, wow. It's actually happening. It looks so good right now. I love it, I love it, I love it. And now let's just mix the clay into it and just mix it all together, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here it is. enjoyed it. This pie turned out so good. I am so impressed. I'm just happy that something of my work turned out good enough for me to enjoy because it looks so real. Oh, and can we just pop that pie up on the screen right now? Like, I don't know, is it right here? Or is it here? Or is it here? It turned out so realistic. I am in love with it. Yes, it's all mixed together, and that is one thing I am happy about, that it did not turn into a bad, ugly color. It stayed this tan color. It's just really pretty. It smells like pumpkin spice. And let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments section. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!